All right, friends, so here's a quick video to review what we learned in class today. Remember, today we talked about subtracting mixed numbers with regrouping when these mixed numbers have different denominators. So here's our example, 9 1/6 minus 8 6/8. Right away, we notice that these denominators are not the same. 6 and 8 are two different numbers. The first thing we're going to have to do is create common denominators. We're going to have to come up with that LCD, that least common denominator. Again, remember, we do this by finding the multiples of the denominators. So let's start with 6. We have 6, 12, 18, 24. That one looks familiar. I'm going to stop there and go to my 8s. 8, 16, 24. Again, that is our least common denominator, 24, which means that we're going to change the denominators from 6 and 8 to 24. We're going to think to ourselves, 8 times what gets me to 24? 1, 2, 3. Oh, right. It's 8 times 3. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Let's go up here to 1/6. 6 times 4 will get me to 24. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. 1 times 4 is 4. So we've created new fractions with common denominators. I like to rewrite these because it helps me keep my math straight. So I'm going to come down here and rewrite this. 9 4/24 minus 8 18/24. Now, I can look from my denominators to my numerators. I can see that I have a 4 up top and an 18 on the second number. Well, 4 is smaller than 18. I cannot take 18 away from 4, so I know that I must regroup. Remember, to regroup, we take one whole away from our 9s. That leaves us with 8 wholes. And we add that whole over here to our fraction, and we add it as a fraction. My marker is not working. All right, I'll move to red. So we're going to add the whole, and we're going to use that denominator, and we're going to add 24/24. This gives us our new fraction, 8 wholes and 28/24, because I added 4 plus 24 equals 28. Now I can subtract my 8 wholes and 18/24. 28 minus 18 is 10 over 24. 8 minus 8 is 0. Oops. So my answer is 0 and 10/24. But wait, I know that 10 and 24 are both even numbers. So this tells my brain that I can also simplify. I can reduce this fraction. So I'm going to divide both of these numbers by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. There are no other factors that 5 and 12 have in common, so that becomes my final answer. So let's go back and look at the original problem. 9 1/6 minus 8 6/8 equals 5/12. We were able to change our denominators to a common denominator and then regroup to find our final answer. That's what we talked about in class today, so that's a quick review for you. Hopefully through your notes and through the practice problems you remember this. Now, I told you that if you got on and watched this video like you were supposed to, I was going to be giving you some extra credit problems. So, if you are watching this video, I want you to do these 2 problems. You can do it on the back of your homework or on another sheet of paper. Turn it in to me tomorrow, and I will give you 5 extra bonus points on the next test or quiz that we have, just for attempting the problems. You don't even have to get them correct. You just have to try them. All right, so here's your first problem. Your first problem is 8 1/3 minus 6 2/11. And your second problem is 7 1/4 minus 5 4/6. So complete these 2 problems on your own, turn them in with your homework tomorrow, and you will get 5 extra bonus points. Good luck! I'll see you guys tomorrow.